Egyptian protesters are rallying against a law that restricts demonstrations. Police intervened before activists could march to the presidential palace. Some protesters and media journalists were arrested, including our own CCTV crew. Correspondent Adel El Mahrouky reports.
It's a never-ending story. For months, rights activists have been holding rallies against a decree law that restricts protesting without permits. The law was formed by interim President Adel Mansour, who is now back to his previous position as chief of the Constitutional Court. On Saturday, opposition movements against the law continued with a rally planned to march to the Ittihadiyya presidential palace, where President el-Sisi resides.
We want to remove the protest law and release about 41,000 opinion prisoners in Egypt. It's clear the law is not constitutional. This is what we said, but the regime never listened. An administrative court verdict agreed and sent the law to be revised by the Constitutional Court. The problem there is that the law will be revised by the man who formed it, former President Adel Mansour.
Activists have been rejecting the law by protesting without taking a permit, and hence, once again, breaking that law.
We do not recognize the protest law. Therefore, we did not take a permit for this protest and for any other future event.
Consequently, the police intervened to end the rally. The protest was peaceful. A witness told CCTV that what appeared to be residents attacked the rally first. Others reported they were thugs helping the police.
They seemed like supporting the Muslim Brotherhood. The protesters were throwing stones on shops and cars, so we chased them and captured about 7 of them and turned them in to the police. We wanted to help.
This man was also arrested. Security forces managed to push protesters away from moving toward the presidential palace. They prevented us from filming and temporarily arrested us. Later we were released. The protests have quickly ended, but it's gaining more support in many other countries. In Berlin, Ireland, London, and other countries, supporters have been protesting on Saturday as well, sharing photos on social media with a No to Protest law signs. Adel El Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.